So hey guys, welcome back. I think you all are doing well and we are on the topic acid bases and salts. So इस बैच में हमने जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट, ये इस चैप्टर का आज जो हम कर रहे हैं ये सेकेंड लास्ट टॉपिक होगा, ऐसा आप कह सकते हो, बिकॉज हमने सारे कंपाउंड्स कर लिए हैं, बस एक प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस बचा हुआ है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस टुडे एंड लेटर ऑन वी विल बी डूइंग the next topic, that is only the last which is remaining, that is preparation of acid or preparation of base. So let's start. ठीक है, so we'll do the very important compound, one of the very important compound, that is plaster of Paris, which is nothing but CaSO4 dot half H2O. So this compound is also termed as plaster of Paris. So this plaster of Paris is basically formed by a stone termed as gypsum. So gypsum की हेल्प या gypsum से plaster of Paris बनाया जाता है. ठीक है, so it is an important compound because you might be aware of this thing. This is a powdery substance, white colored powder, and we usually have it in our home to fill the cracks. ठीक है, तो cracks filling के काम आता है, then making of idol उसके काम आता है, then you all know कि जो ceiling में designs हम आज के डेट में करते हैं, that there also this plaster of Paris plays an important role. और बेसिकली इसी से बनता ही है वो डिज़ाइंस. एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स कैन बी डन, इवन दी सपोज बोन ऑफ समबडी गेट्स फ्रैक्चर्ड. ठीक है, तो वो टाइम जो डॉक्टर क्या करता है, प्लास्टर करता है, वो भी इस प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस से ही करता है, बिकॉज दिस पाउडर, दिस वाइट पाउडर हैज़ अ वेरी टिपिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ getting solidified when added with water. Why it happens so? Let's check it out. ठीक है, so as I said, it is made from a stone named gypsum. So gypsum एक ऐसा stone है जिससे plaster of Paris बनाया जाता है. तो gypsum का chemical formula भी कुछ ऐसा ही होगा. Yes, the chemical formula of gypsum is calcium sulfate bihydrate 2H2O. So this is gypsum. ठीक है, this gypsum is a white colored hard stone. ठीक है, white hard stone. ठीक है, now तो इसी से आपको समझ गया होगा आधी चीज की, यहाँ से हम बना रहे हैं प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, लेकिन जब प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस से वापस ये बनता है तब ये हार्ड हो जाता है. इसीलिए बहुत से इंट्रिकेट डिजाइंस, बहुत से आइडल्स, बहुत सारे थिंग्स बनाने में, इवन प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को बनाने में जो हम प्लास्टर करते हैं मेडिसिनल पर्पस के लिए, फ्रैक्चर्ड बोन के लिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, सो इट्स एन हार्ड स्टोन एंड इट इज रियली रियली सिंपल टू फॉर्म प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस फ्रॉम gypsum. What we do, we simply heat this gypsum. This gypsum is simply heated, right, at 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes approximately. ठीक है, for 20 minutes approximately. So when this happens, what we can see कि इससे ज़्यादा हीटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, not more than 100 degrees Celsius, not more than 20 minutes. Why so? Because see, we want half water to be associated with one molecule of plaster of Paris. If this not happens, suppose ये half water भी निकल गया, तब क्या होगा, तब ये burnt plaster कहलाएगा, यानी dry burnt plaster होगा ये, इसका फिर कुछ use नहीं बचेगा. So that is why we have to take care of the time and the temperature as well. So we want only 1.5 water to be removed. So the question arises कि half water, how is it possible? So basically half water को थोड़ा explain करने के लिए I'll take 2 molecules of gypsum. ठीक है, so when we take 2 molecules of gypsum, it becomes more easier. अगर 2 molecules of gypsum लिया तो इसका जो बर्निंग होगा यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो CaSO4 हमने 2 बार लिख लिया, ठीक है। वाई? बिकॉज देर आर 2 CaSO4, तो यहाँ पे 2 CaSO4 लिख लिया। देन वी सी कि यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, यानी कि वाटर मॉलिक्यूल कितना हो गया? टोटल 4 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स। इस 4 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स में से 3 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल तो उड़न छू, दे आर evaporated, but out of these 4, 1 molecule is associated with weak bonds. These weak bonds can be a hydrogen bond, right? So these weak forces of attraction are developed between the 2 molecules of CaSO4 and 1 molecule of H2O. So to simplify the writing of this formula, what we say? Half H2O. Otherwise 1 H2O is associated with 2 CaSO4. Is this clear? And this water is termed as water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. So what do you mean by this? We'll be seeing in the later part of this session. ठीक है? Meanwhile, you just remember this water is termed as water of crystallization. This water, because of this water, the color etc. is the property given to the molecule. ठीक है? For example, the white powder, the white color is due to the water molecule associated with it. ठीक है? So this is known as water of crystallization, and this molecule is known as plaster of Paris. And to simplify the molecule or the formula of this molecule, we write this as CaSO4 dot half H2O. Is this clear? यानी कि एक मॉलिक्यूल के साथ आप हाफ H2O लिख लो या 2 मॉलिक्यूल के साथ आप एक H2O लिख लो, बात तो एक ही हुई, ठीक है। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस एसोसिएटेड विथ conversion of gypsum to plaster of Paris. I hope this process is clear to you guys, right? So let's move on to some few more important and interesting points regarding plaster of Paris. Now the next important points should be taken as the uses of plaster of Paris. So what are the uses of plaster of Paris? Okay. So if I say the very first use to be done in the medical science, okay, so I'll write here uses, first uses in medicine or medical science, you can say, will be first setting of fractured bones. ठीक है? Many a times you might have seen people with fractured bones are binded with a plaster. जिसका हाथ में कहीं फ्रैक्चर आ गया, पैर में आ गया, तो प्लास्टर डालते हैं. क्यों डालते हैं? Because this plaster of Paris once get absorbed with water, what happens? It gets converted to हार्ड सब्सटेंस. ठीक है? तो अगर ये गीला रहा तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, उसको आप जो शेप दे दोगे वो शेप में वो सेट हो जाएगा. तो आपका जो प्लास्टर है वो आपके बोन को स्ट्रेट रखेगा. अभी क्योंकि हमने प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस उसमें ऐड किया है और वो क्या हो जाता है, कड़क हो जाता है, हार्ड हो जाता है. तो हार्ड होने से उसका शेप चेंज नहीं होगा. उसका शेप चेंज नहीं होगा तो अंदर आपके बोन्स का भी शेप इधर उधर नहीं होगा. एंड दैट इज वाई प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज यूज्ड. ठीक है? अब देखो क्या होगा कि सीधी बात है, आपने पीओपी बोला CaSO4 डॉट हाफ H2O. ठीक है? व्हेन यू एडेड इट विथ वाटर इट विल अगेन बिकम 2H2O. ठीक है? तो ये क्या है, ये हार्ड ही तो है. इसीलिए प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी यूज इन डे टू डे लाइफ. बहुत सारी चीज़ों में ये यूज होता है. तो मेडिकल साइंस में ये एक यहाँ पे यूज होता है. एक और यूज होता है फॉर making cast dentistry. That means many of you, or you might have seen, at least you might have seen people whose tooth gets decayed, like mine got decayed, 3 tooth is decayed. So out of which one is, I have done the root canal. So after doing the root canal, they put up a cap. See, cap can be of anything, but बिफोर गोइंग टू अ कैप जो दांत के जैसे ही शेप का होगा, वो शेप के लिए, टू गेट दैट शेप, to get that cast, that is the shape of the teeth, what these people do, they can use this plaster of Paris. Like they'll use something, they'll use a particular plate kind of thing. For me it has been done a plate kind of plastic thing था, उसके ऊपर they have put this plaster of Paris and just asked me to just close the mouth. So once I closed the mouth, तो जो shape था वो दांत का उस प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस पे आ गया. सो दैट मीन्स इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर कास्टिंग डेंटिस्ट्री. ठीक है, इवन योर कोलगेट इज यूज्ड फॉर कास्टिंग डेंटिस्ट्री. ठीक है, सो एनी विच वेज. सो दीज आर द टू मेडिकल साइंस में यूजेस ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. ठीक है, देन यू हैव मेनी यूजेस इन बिल्डिंग and building construction, you can say construction activity, you can say, and arts. ठीक है, so what are the uses? First use I can say here will be the for making cast of statues, big idols, etc. सो ये आर्टिस्ट्री काम हो गया, तो इसीलिए आई सेड बिल्डिंग एंड आर्ट्स. ठीक है, इन दैट कास्ट ऑफ स्टैच्यूज, आइडल्स, सम गुड डिजाइंस एक्सेट्रा कैन बी मेड आउट ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. राइट, देन देयर इज वेरी गुड यूज इन मेकिंग डिजाइनर सीलिंग, इन मेकिंग designer ceiling. So here also it can be used. So plaster of Paris is used for making your ceiling designed, right? So this is also one of the use. ठीक है, then there are many uses you can see. ठीक है, one is this, then idol making, then pillars making. Pillars पे भी we have ceilings, then pillars पे भी we have your designs, intricate designs. That intricate designs are made out of this plaster of Paris. ठीक है, along with that you have laboratory uses. ठीक है, then for making crack filling also you can do. See, third one, अच्छा, it is in building we can say crack filling. ठीक है, we use it in crack filling. ठीक है, so you might be aware of it कि अगर आपके टाइल्स के बीच में जो गैप है वो वाइडन हो जाए, तो आपके नीचे के फ्लोर्स में योर वाटर विल सीप. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी जस्ट पुट अप द POP, that is plaster of Paris, in the cracks. So crack filling can be done. If the wall gets cracked, again while making your whitewashing, when you go for whitewashing, जितना भी आपके दीवार पर, आपके वॉल पर कुछ भी अप डाउन है, if it is not plain, if it is having crack, so for crack filling and making the surface of the wall plain, surface of wall plain करने के लिए, smooth करने के लिए, ठीक है, smoothing. ठीक है, we use plaster of Paris. ठीक है, so there are many different other properties or uses for which you can say plaster of Paris is used. Right, so I hope this is clear to you that plaster of Paris is a very important compound that is used in our day-to-day life, and in many particular uses, many places, in medical, in building, in arts, etc. ठीक है, so this is what is about the uses. Now let's move to the some characteristic. Now, as we have completed with different compounds, all these compounds were somewhere salt, only one, that was caustic soda, was base. So I think you all have a very clear idea regarding these compounds and the uses of these compounds. NaCl. From where we get it? We get it from sea water, right? And in sea water, how we just remove that NaCl from sea water? By just evaporation. ठीक है, or you can say simple crystallization process. So NaCl gets crystallized or evaporation of water takes place. ठीक है, and from there we have seen कि जो impure salt है, that is with mixture of different other salt, is termed as rock salt also. ठीक है, this NaCl is also termed as common salt or table salt. Then after that we have seen कि there is a compound known as NaOH or caustic soda, or the chemical name to it is sodium hydroxide. It is made of NaCl, made from NaCl, not of, from NaCl by the electrolytic decomposition of NaCl and water together, right? So in that process, or you can say the process is termed as chlor-alkali process. Why chlor-alkali process? Because there is the formation of chlorine gas and alkali known as NaOH. Two things are getting formed, chlorine, NaOH. ठीक है, also hydrogen gas, but the very typical thing is these two things. ठीक है, so hence the process is characterized by this. ठीक है, and by electrolyzing we get chlorine gas, which is a green colored gas, gets liberated on the anode, as we know that chlorine is a negatively charged ion. ठीक है, chloride ions are negatively charged. They get attracted towards the anode, which is positive terminal, and there they deposit their electrons and get combined in a that is Cl2 gas, that is the chlorine gas. And then we have also seen कि hydrogen gas is formed at cathode. As we know that hydrogen ion is positive in charge, right? Then in the solution we get NaOH, right? So all these things we have done in the formation of NaOH. Then we have seen the uses of NaOH. So I think you are very clear with the uses of NaOH. Then we have gone through the baking soda and washing soda. How do we form or produce this baking soda or washing soda? With a very simple process termed as Solvay process. So Solvay process में हमने क्या किया था? Solvay process में just recall this कि ammoniated या ammoniacal brine solution को we have passed through CO2, right? CO2 is passed over this ammoniacal brine solution. What is ammoniacal brine solution? So firstly, brine solution is NaCl plus water, and ammoniacal means ammonia is also added to it. So these three things, and carbon dioxide is passed over it. When it is when carbon dioxide is passed over this ammoniacal brine solution, this gets converted to NaHCO3, which is baking soda, and NH4Cl, which is ammonium chloride. NaHCO3 can easily be crystallized and removed out, right? So this NaHCO3, when after removing, what we do? We heat it so that hydrogen gets released. Okay? So this NaHCO3 is baking soda. When we heat it to remove the hydrogen, we get Na2CO3. Water molecules are released. So this is now your Na2CO3, a salt, right? And this salt is further crystallized with 10 molecule of water. Each molecule of sodium carbonate gets crystallized with 10 molecules of water and forms washing soda, that is Na2CO3.NH2O. And we have also seen the uses of these things, that is washing soda and baking soda. We have also seen the baking soda, since on heating it gets converted to Na2CO3. So that is why, and this Na2CO3 is a basic salt. So that is why our food item, when added with baking soda, tastes bitter. So what we do? We, instead of using baking soda, we use baking powder. What is baking powder? So baking powder is nothing but baking soda plus tartaric acid. Remember this thing because this has been asked in exams, okay, in previous year questions. You can check out. Okay? So baking powder is nothing but baking soda plus tartaric acid. Both together is known as baking powder. Why so? Because this tartaric acid gets combined or get neutralizes the Na2CO3, which is basic salt, and due to which the salty taste comes because of baking powder instead of bitter taste, right? So this was baking soda and washing soda, and after this we have seen the last salt, not last, second last, that is your bleaching powder, CaOCl2. This bleaching powder is, why we call it as a bleaching powder? Because it is a discolorant. So it removes the stain or removes the color. Also it is, due to the presence of chlorine, it is a disinfectant also. So hence you can use it for water cleaning etc. Also in swimming pools we have seen कि जो smell आता है, that is because of this bleaching powder. That smell is a typical smell of chlorine, right? So this was bleaching powder. The formation, the process is also simple, that is slake drying लो, उसके ऊपर से chlorine gas pass करो, तो it will be converted to CaOCl2, right? We have seen this thing. Then the last salt which we have done today, and that is plaster of Paris. This plaster of Paris is a powder substance formed out of gypsum, which is a hard stone, and that too with a very simple process of a heating, that is at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now comes as the question, that is what is water of crystallization. So in the next session I will start with the properties of salt. In that I will introduce this topic, that is water of crystallization. So for this session this is enough. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye.